Welcome guys, welcome to this brand new video, and in this video we are going to see how we can update the database table. So if we want to change the title or anything in the database table using a SQL query, the same query we can run in using PHP as well. So we will be doing that once we are going to do into the PHP. So what are we going to do here? Now I have these 3 posts, and what I want to do, I want to change the title of third post. So to do that, I go into SQL, and here what we can do here, we say update and then the table name. So we have posts, and then we say set, and then I'm going to say title equals anything that you want to put here. So I say some new title for testing. All right, just a string. Now we need to put the condition where, and id equals 3. Now before executing this command, I want to tell you that when you write an SQL query, it's a good practice to write the this update in uppercase, set in uppercase, where in uppercase. So if I remove this from here, if I say where and then I say id equals 3, it is going to be execute and it's going to work just fine. Let's do this. Let me execute this. I say go. It executed finally. Now we have some new title for testing here. Now what I'm going to do, we're going to go and edit again, and here let's update again. So I say update posts set title equals where. Now you can see that SQL suggests us that what you want to put, and I want to put where, which is all capital there. So I put there where id equals 3. So capital string is good. Okay, now I hit go. It executes the same way, but that's a good practice if you use it uppercase, because if you follow the good practices in your code, that goes better. So now I go to browse. Now here we say capital string is good. It's updated it. Now if you want to update multiple columns at once, let's say we change the title of id 1 where we have this code, and where we have id 3, we want to change the title of these 2. So I go here and I'm going to remove this, and I say update posts, and we want to set title equals to, I put here some string for testing multiple id updates. Update, yeah. Now here we say where id equals 1 or id equals 3. So quite simple. We are simply saying where we have these 2 IDs, title should be this, and if I hit go, we get 2 rows affected. Browse, we get some string for testing multiple ID here and here. So this way we can update the data as you want. Now we will be using it in using PHP, and you will get more understanding how and more complex queries in coming videos. But for the basic use, you will be updating content, something like this. Hope you liked the video. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching. And